Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for being here. We are going to be making these delicious jam cookies. They are so easy to make and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need some salt, quarter cup of brown sugar, half a cup of butter or margarine, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, some vanilla extract, some jam, and 1 egg yolk. I'm going to put all the measurements down on the description box so you can have a look at it. So in my bowl I have the margarine or the butter. I'm going to add my brown sugar. So you'll just go ahead and cream this together until it is light and fluffy. Then I'm going to add my egg yolk. As you're mixing, just make sure that you scrape down on the bowl just to make sure that everything is well incorporated. I'm then going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm then going to add in the quarter teaspoon of salt, and the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. First, just mix this in with your spatula before you go in with the mixer. So I'm just going to mix all this up together. Then on low speed, you go in with the mixer. Make sure you don't overmix. So for us, I think this one is ready. So our dough is ready. This is how it looks like. And as you're doing this, guys, do not forget to be preheating your oven. So I'm going to go ahead and form small balls with this dough and put them on my already lined baking tray. So I'm using a tablespoon just to scoop out the dough. So you take it and just roll it like so, and put them on your baking tray. Leave a bit of space in between each cookie so that when they spread in the oven, they will not spread out on each other. So do this for all of them, and then we'll continue from there. So our cookies are ready. We're going to bake this for just 5 minutes in the oven, and then we remove them. So set your timer for exactly 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we're going to remove them, and then I'll show you what to do next. So 5 minutes in, I've brought them out of the oven. So what you'll do, and just be forming holes right in the middle like that, and make sure not to break them. Just form a small hole like that, and be careful because they're a bit hot. And then now you will go in with your jam. Just put just a little bit in the center of the holes, like so. You can use any kind of jam. Mine is red plum. So just go ahead and put in the jam right in the middle. So this will go back in the oven for another 12 to 15 minutes until they're nice and crunchy. So the cookies are out of the oven. We'll let them cool in the tray for about 20 minutes, and then we will see how they look after that. So the cookies came out so good. They were supposed to be for breakfast, but they did not even see the light of day the next day. So try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. And thank you so much for watching today's episode, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Till the next one, guys. Bye.